Good morning, my very lovely and beautiful children. How are you? I wish all my children are good, happy and safe. Yes? Okay, so all of you ready for the class? Say with me. Oh, yes. Okay, so children, it is Monday, first day of the week, and yesterday was Sunday and today is Monday. And Monday comes after Sunday. Yes. Okay, let's start our class. So children, as you know, we are learning sounds. And let me tell you children, once again, all of you, that ma'am is teaching you sounds, phonics. मैम ने आपको A, B, C, D नहीं सिखाया ना. So आपको ए, ब, ख जैसे मैम बोलती हैं वैसे ही आपको लर्न करना है. When I was taking your test on Friday, j sound, some children were saying J sound. And K, so children, J sound nahi, that was J sound. Yes, ma'am is teaching you sounds, so please learn sounds. A, B, C, D nahi seekhna hai aapko, okay? So, okay. Now let's start, children. All of you remember what we are learning? Which sound? Yes, we are learning K sound. This is K sound. Standing line, slanting line upside, slanting line downside. This is K sound. K. Yes? And all of you know this is K for king. Yes? This is K for king. And king lives in a big and beautiful palace. He wears a crown on his head and wears very beautiful and colorful clothes. So this is K for king. And this is K for kitchen, and where your mama cooks food for you. So this is K for kitchen. Yes? Okay. And all of you know this is K for, what is this children? Key. K for key. Yes. जब हम लॉक लगाते हैं तो किससे लॉक करते हैं? की. And when we start the scooter, car, we start the car and scooter with the key. K for key. And this is an animal, wild animal. K for kangaroo, brown color. He jumps and he carries a baby in his belly. So this is K for kangaroo. K for kangaroo. And which fruit is this children? K for kiwi. K for kiwi. Tasty, healthy and very juicy. Kiwi. You should eat this. This is K for kiwi. It's a fruit. And all my children knows it. K for kite. Kites are flying in the sky. K, 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 k. Kites are flying in the sky. Kites are flying in the sky. K, 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 k. Okay, so this is kite. So we will sing the song of K sound, a song once again and nicely. Okay, let's start. Kites are flying in the sky, ka-ka-ka. Kites are flying in the sky, ka-ka-ka. Kites are flying in the sky, flying in the sky, ka-ka-ka. Yes, one more time. Kites are flying in the sky, ka-ka-ka. Kites are flying in the sky, flying in the sky, ka-ka-ka. So this is ka for kite. Now children, let's do some work. Okay, we have colored in ka sound pictures on Friday. Now we will learn children how to write ka sound with standing line and slanting line upside and slanting line downside. So be ready with your small letters book with your pencil and rubber. Okay, so children, now we will learn how to write ka sound. Take out page number 53 and here trace the standing line, straight standing line like this, and from here slanting line from upside, and now one standing line downside. One more time. Make a standing line, trace standing line, slanting line upside and slanting line downside. Now turn the page. Here is page number 54. K for cattle, K for key. And here we will learn how to write K sound in 1, 2 and 3 line. Standing line, 2 slanting line. Standing line, slanting line. Standing line, slanting line. And children, please watch very nicely and try to do yourself how ma'am is writing in 1, 2 and 3 line. Standing line, small slanting line and slanting line. Standing line, small slanting line, again small slanting line. Standing line, slanting line upside, slanting line downside. Now write yourself children. Write with me. Make a standing line, slanting line from here, slanting line down. Standing line, upside slanting line, downside slanting line. Standing line, upside slanting line, down slanting line. Standing line, up slanting line, downside slanting line. Standing line, upside slanting line, downside slanting line. Standing line, upside line, slanting line, downside slanting line. Standing line, upside slanting line, downside slanting line. So like this children, you have to write K sound in 3 lines. Only in 3 lines, 1, 2 and 3. Once again children, standing line, upside slanting line, downside slanting line. Standing line, upside slanting line, downside slanting line. Standing line, upside down slanting line, downside slanting line. So like this children, you have to complete the whole page yourself. And children, you have to practice more and more. You can practice with your slate and chalk, children. Okay. So children, this is complete your K sound. Okay. This is K sound. K for kitchen, K for kite, K for key, K for kiwi, and K for kangaroo, K for king, and K for canal. And this is K sound, standing line, slanting line upside and slanting line downside. Okay children, so please keep practicing and how to speak sounds. This is k sound. K आपको नहीं बोलना है. You have to speak k sound. Okay children. So keep practicing, learn properly, and I will meet tomorrow with new sound. Okay, so be ready children and keep learning. Till then children, take care and bye-bye.